Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the menu button. Once the menu opens, scroll down and find the option called the watch settings. Once you find it, tap on it to enter. Now scroll down and find the option called sounds or sound and vibe. Or vibration basically. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, find the option called the volume, and once you find it, tap on it. Make sure that the mute all option is disabled because it basically disables all of the sounds on your watch. And once it's disabled, you can scroll down, and here we have two types of volume. We have voice and the system. And we can adjust them by swiping on the slider. And once you're done adjusting the volumes for your watch, you can press the back button to go back to watch face like this. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.